everybody, it's Jerry Z with Rovi Homes. Here we are today in Worcester, Massachusetts on this glorious summer day. We're here at my new listing on 45 Hamilton Street. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath brick ranch, huge deck, the tallest ceilings you've ever seen in the basement. Let's go take a look. Hope you've enjoyed the tour of my new listing here in Worcester, Massachusetts. If you have questions about this property or any others, contact me below at this number. If you're looking to buy, sell, invest, work with me, Jerry Z, because I want to work with you. See you on the next one.